Hello, I'm Eric Gockel, the Director of Operations here at Cedarhurst Center for the Arts. I'm behind the Mitchell Museum out by the lake hanging out with a couple of our sculptures. We have over 70 sculptures here at Cedarhurst, and most of them require at least annual maintenance. Whether we're treating for insects or oiling or waxing, or in the case of the dancers, taking them out for the winter, we try to take care of our sculptures as best we can. Like I said, these are the dancers behind me. 2 floating sculptures created by Martha Enzmann in the year 1994. Every year we remove them from the water to save them from freezing, and in the spring we put them back in. This year we decided to record it to show you what that process is like. Gary Steury, a member of our operations team, and I did it over 2 days. It took about 6 hours, and I've tried to edit that down to about 6 minutes. I hope you enjoy, and be sure to check back for more daily doses of art.